What is the capital of the United States? The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. What is the capital of Japan? The capital of Japan is Tokyo. What is the capital of India? The capital of India is New Delhi. What is the capital of France? The capital of France is Paris. What is the capital of Italy? The capital of Italy is Rome. What is the capital of Germany? The capital of Germany is Berlin. What is the capital of Spain? The capital of Spain is Madrid. What is the capital of UAE? The capital of UAE is Dubai. What is the capital of Thailand? The capital of Thailand is Bangkok. What is the capital of South Africa? The capital of South Africa is Cape Town. What is the capital of China? The capital of China is Beijing.